Stop buying salsa and make this instead. Chunky, spicy pico de gallo coming right up. Stay tuned, we'll be right back with a full recipe. Hola amigos, welcome back to Tex-Mex at Home. Today we're making pico de gallo, the salsa I grew up eating on the Texas-Mexico border. Simple ingredients, big flavor, and ready in just minutes. And fun fact, it's called pico de gallo because everything is chopped into tiny pieces. Now let's get started. This recipe serves 4 to 6 people. For today's recipe, we will need 1 tomato finely chopped, 1/4 cup of finely diced onion, 1 serrano pepper chopped, a handful of chopped cilantro, juice of half a lime, 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt. Start by dicing your tomatoes. If they're extra juicy, just remove the core so your pico doesn't get watery. Add the diced tomatoes to a large bowl. Now finely dice your onion and add it to your bowl. Chop your serrano peppers into small pieces, but if you want less heat, you can use jalapeños instead. Next, add your finely chopped cilantro. Traditionally, my family always uses cilantro, but if you're not a cilantro person, feel free to skip it. It still tastes great. Now for the final steps. Add a couple of squeezes of fresh lime and a pinch of salt, and mix everything gently. You don't want to mash your tomatoes. And there you have it, fresh pico de gallo. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more Tex-Mex at Home recipes, hit like, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new one. Remember to check out our website at texmexathome.com. Now let's give it a try. Perfect. I'll see you in the next one. Hasta luego.